Hi everyone, welcome to Apple J YouTube channel. I hope you're having a good day today. Do you want to play games on your iPhone with Emulator? If you do, in this video, I will show you how to install Emulator GBA INSYS, PPSSPP Delta, and any emulator on iOS 17 devices. In computing, an emulator is hardware or software that enables one computer system, called the host, to behave like another computer system, called the guest. An emulator typically enables the host system to run software or use peripheral devices designed for the guest system. Emulation refers to the ability of a computer program in an electronic device to emulate or imitate another program or device. Some people use the emulator just for a game on their devices. First way, go to open your browser. Go to Scarlet website. Use Scarlet. Scroll to bottom to find installation button. Click that. After that, click direct install. Wait for Scarlet, then click open and install. It will make you install the Scarlet apps directly installed. Back to your home screen menu. To check your Scarlet installation, make sure installation has successfully. If you cannot open your Scarlet apps, you must make this Scarlet to verify first. Go to open your setting menu, General Setting, VPN and Device Management, make it Trust. After that, go to open your Scarlet apps. Recently launched, Scarlet is a third-party iOS app installer. This substitute app store boasts a vast collection of IPA apps and games, providing users with the opportunity to download apps that are not accessible through the official app store. If Scarlet has running normally, go back your browser, go to search IP file of emulator what you want, or you can go to onejailbreak.com to find emulator IPA file. You can download any IPA file by this website. For example, on this video, I will install GBA for iOS emulator. GBA for iOS for iOS 15 is a fantastic free emulator that lets you enjoy classic Game Boy Advance and Game Boy Color games on your iPhone or iPad without any hassle. Whether your device is jailbroken or not, you can download and install GBA for iOS to play all your favorite Nintendo titles directly on your iOS 7 or newer device, including the latest release of iOS 15. Click the GBA IPA file for download this emulator. Make sure the download has completed. Go back to open your Scarlet apps, find the IPA file you download before. Click that. It will bring you install the IPA file what you want. Go back to your home screen to check your emulator installation, and you can install another IPA file in Sane. So look, I can open the emulator easily, right? And I can play the game anywhere I want by this emulator. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and see you next on my another video, guys.